Hey, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Hey, we have some great organizers on our team, and today I want to highlight one of our lead organizers, Sandra. Sandra's main talent is organizing clothes and closet organization and all things clothing organization. She's got a huge background in retail and also just making your closet shine for you. So when you're getting ready for the day, you know exactly what you want to wear. You can see it, you can imagine yourself, you can feel confident. And so when working on today's Just the Tip, I wanted to pull a little snippet of advice from Sandra. And what Sandra said is that when you're working on your clothing and your closet, there is one rule, and only one rule. You must love that item. If not, we're donating it, we're consigning it, we're selling it, or maybe it's just time to discard and get rid of it. So take Sandra's advice and love all the items in your closet. We'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.